Hello and welcome, folks. This is a drink called How Make Iced Carbonated Coffee Apricot Peach. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug from this mini metal bowl. And then you open up this apricot peach sparkling water and you fill it halfway into this mug. Now, you get the percolator of coffee and you pour it into this mug. After you close the bottle of apricot peach sparkling water. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced carbonated coffee apricot peach. Enjoy it, folks, and thank you for watching.